Good morning, student. Today we are going to teach new question, new chapter. Chapter number 3, current electricity. Total number 8. 3 plus 3 plus 2 marks. 3 question, 2 objective. Electricity means the energy due to which matter gets property. Attracting the things is known as electricity. The energy due to which matter gets property. Attracting the things is known as electricity. Electric current, the rate of flow of charge through any cross section area of conductor is known as electric current. It is denoted by I. Formula: electric current equal to charge upon time. I equal to Q upon T. SI unit ampere. It is denoted by capital A. Dimensional formula of charge AT, time T. T cancel. M0 L0 T A. If I equal to 1 ampere, charge equal to 1 coulomb, time equal to 1 second. That is 1 ampere equal to 1 coulomb upon 1 second. 1 ampere equal to 1 coulomb upon 1 second. Define 1 ampere. The charge flow at rate of 1 coulomb per second. The electric current in the electric circuit is said to be 1 ampere. The charge flow at rate of 1 coulomb per second. The electric current in the circuit is said to be 1 ampere. Electric current is a scalar quantity. I equal to Q upon T, that is Q equal to NE. I equal to NE by T. Electricity, the energy due to which matter gets property of attracting the things is known as electricity. Current density, second topic. Current density at a point in a conductor is defined as the amount of current flowing per unit area of the conductor held perpendicular to the flow of current. The ratio of current density is defined as the ratio of electric current and unit and area of cross section is known as current density. It is denoted by J. J equal to I upon A. Its SI unit, current ampere, area meter square, ampere per meter square. Dimensional formula: A ampere A, meter square means L square, M naught L minus 2 T naught A 1. Current density is a vector quantity. Important. Current density is a vector quantity. J equal to I upon A, that is I equal to Q upon T. J equal to Q upon AT. Q equal to NE. J equal to NE by AT. Drift velocity. Third topic, important. Drift velocity is defined as the average velocity with which the velocity free electron with which they get drifted toward the positive terminal of the conductor under the influence of the external electric field. Drift velocity is defined as the average velocity with which free electron with which they get drifted toward the positive terminal of the conductor under the influence of the external electric field. It is denoted by Vd. It is the order of 10 to power of minus 4 meter per second. Thank you.